In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I make these delicious, easy dinner rolls. They are so tender and fluffy, buttery and golden, and I know for sure you're going to love it. But before then, please take a moment to like and subscribe to join this family. So let's jump right in. We'll begin by making my yeast mixture, okay? You need warm milk or water, but for today I'm using powdered milk, a pack of active dry yeast, which is usually 2 to 1/4 teaspoon. To that is a tablespoon of sugar. And what it's going to do is going to make sure that the yeast is alive, okay? I'm going to mix everything together, then set it aside for about 10 minutes. So while waiting on the yeast to form, I'm going to add in about 4 cups of flour, 1/3 cup of sugar, teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, which is room temperature, and 6 tablespoons of melted butter. So guys, I've also listed the measurements and the ingredients in the description box, so please do check it out. Now that our yeast mixture has bloomed, we'll go ahead to pour it onto the flour. And I'm just going to go ahead to mix this with my stand mixer. But if you don't have the stand mixer, you can totally mix this with your hands, okay? Now I'm going to mix it on the lowest speed, okay, for 3 minutes or until the dough comes together. And if you're new here, you are warmly welcome. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to join this beautiful family. Thank you so much for subscribing. So guys, after 3 minutes, I'm going to go ahead to speed up and allow it to continue mixing for another 5 minutes. And then we'll add in some oil, or you can add in your soft butter. So the reason why I added the oil is that it's going to help the dough to get a proper stretch and also improve the gluten structure in the bread, okay? Meanwhile, I'd like to take this opportunity to say a very big thank you to my returning and new subscribers. I just want to say thank you so much for your support. God bless you. So to the same bowl, we'll go ahead to bring the dough together and add in some oil. So we'll cover it and place it in a warm spot, okay, for an hour. Normally, I just keep it in my oven to rise. And after 1 hour, look how perfect it came out. It has risen to a good texture. You always want to make sure your dough doubles in size, okay? So we'll punch the dough to release the hair out and then remove it from the bowl. Now I'm going to cut them into smaller pieces, okay? I got about 13 pieces total, okay? So I got 16 total, but some are small, so I had to adjust them, okay? And now I'm going to begin to shape my small ball dough. So just bring the dough together like this and try to make a ball. So if you've watched up to now and you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Kindly click on the like button and subscribe to join this beautiful family. Thank you so much for subscribing. Now we'll repeat the same process with the rest of the dough. So once I'm done shaping the dough, I'm going to go ahead to cover it and place them in a warm place for about 30 to 35 minutes, okay? And guys, after 35 minutes, our dough has doubled in size and I'm going to get ready to bake them. So we'll preheat my oven at 350 degrees. And while we wait for the oven, I'm going to make my egg wash, okay? That is just 1 egg and a tablespoon of milk, okay? So we'll just beat the egg. And now I'm just going to go ahead to brush our dinner rolls just to make sure my brush goes everywhere. Okay guys, once I'm ready, I'm just going to pop them into the oven and allow it to bake for 25 to 30 minutes. And after 25 minutes, our rolls are ready. We'll go ahead to brush it with some butter and just allow it to rest for 10 minutes. But you know me, when you like clack, allow me no care. Yes, this bread is so good, looks good, and my house smells good. Alright guys, there you have it. Homemade, super easy, delicious dinner rolls. I hope you give this recipe a try. Thank you all so much for watching, and until I come your way with another deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys!